Got BYD here for a mobile diamond cut. You can see the damage right on the spoke there. Brand new 26 plate, so yeah, let's get cracking. So I don't know if you know this, but if you see a coloured dot on your wheel like that, this one's white, the other ones are yellow on the car, that means it's never been cut before. So yeah, useful facts for you guys. Winding me up, mate, you're winding me up. So the measurements are in the machine and the machine is probing. So as soon as that's finished, we'll start cutting. So first pass done. You see there's a little bit of paint left on there, but yeah, all going good. So yeah, that is done, the final cut as you just see, and we've taken off the old magic number 0.45 of a millimetre. Get in. Another set of latex gloves, look, absolute pants these. If anyone knows of any decent ones that don't cost £1 million, drop it in the other comments. First pass done, we'll let that tack off for a couple of minutes and then go in with a nice wetty. That's it, lacquered to perfection. Yeah, look at that shine. So yeah, pump it up, get it on the jam jar. Oh. That is all done in Harrow, so give us a call 0333 207 9971 or visit the website justwheelrepair.co.uk. Later.